Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete all the promotion emails on your Gmail. First of all, of course, you would like to have a Gmail, of course, on a Gmail, not application, sorry, I mean Gmail account. So first of all you need to do, just go and open your browser, whatever browser you're using, then just go and enter gmail.com. Sign in, of course, if you don't have an account. But if you do have an account, just ignore all of that, log in into your account, and let's just get straight to it. So, as we said, we would like to delete all the promotion emails in our Gmail. It's simply by, after of course opening your Gmail, this will be your main screen. And simply you can go here to the promotion app emails, of course. As you can see here, that's all my promotion emails in this Gmail. So how can I delete all of them? As you can see here, we have here the refresh icon. All you need to do is just go and click at the icon on the left of this refresh icon, which is here, select. So if you click on this, it will select every single email here in this page. Of course, if you would like to remove one of this email, maybe it could be important, so maybe just this free $10 waiting for you in fat coupons. So I would like to click at select on the email that I don't want to delete, and as you can see here, it's not selected anymore. That means it will not get deleted with those. So as you can see here, if I want to put it back, just go and click at the same icon and it will be selected again. Of course, you can do that at any other email you want, and if you want to select them all, just go and click at this icon, which is select. Then if you want to delete, all you want to do, just go and click here at delete. As you can see here, we have action failed due to an error. Maybe that's you have this opened on something, or maybe I don't know. So if that happens to you, just refresh the page and then go to your promotion again, then do the same thing. So as you can see, this is just ad, this is not a real emails. So as you can see, I have here an ad option or ad icon with green. That means it's just an ad from like Gmail. That's not a real email sent to my Gmail. So as you can see, every email you deleted, you will find this here in your trash. As you can see here, you'll find every email that you already deleted. So that will be kind of for the video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.